All right, man, so today we are going over dumb semen retention mistakes. I know you do this, man. This is a big one. This is a big problem I see. So we're gonna handle that today, man. I'm gonna show you how to stop counting the days, how it's beneficial to you, why you should stop doing it, and what's gonna happen when you stop, man, and you actually start moving on with your life away from addiction. Stick with me, man. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I want to share with you exactly why semen retention has this huge pitfall, and that is almost the addiction away from addiction. See, when I got past my no-fap stage, when I was cured from porn, basically I stopped a compulsive disorder of masturbation. It wasn't that hard. Quitting smoking was a little bit harder. Here's the thing though, man. Guys continually get stuck on repeat because it's like the one good thing. Oh my God, I made progress in one of the areas that I had goals in. Oh my God. And then these guys do it and 460 days. 384 days. Count. You have to move on. You have to move on. When you're quitting a drug, if you are, say, 5 years sober, you're not still counting the days that you have not had a drink. If you're trying to quit smoking cigarettes, you're not freaking still counting the cigarettes 5 years later, man. That's the last step. And it is no different with retention, man. It is no different. Stick with me, man. Stay to the end of this video. Don't skip through. Stick with me. Learn something that will take you down the rabbit hole of progress. So here's what happens, man. You make this goal, semen retention, okay? And the further and further you get away from it, say counting the days, 100 days, 200 days, 300 days, 400 days, the thing is you're moving through life still from this point. This is what we want to get away from. When you continually identify with the addiction itself, you cannot get away from it. So how do we get out of this like vicious cycle? You literally just cut it off right there. Cut it off. You're done. No more counting days. The whole goal that you've been working towards this whole time, you've accomplished it. You did it, man. You're good, you've done it. Now there's another level. After you cut off that addiction to actually being the good boy, I did the thing, I made progress on my goals. I agree you should pat yourself on the back and even reward yourself at times, but it should not even be a part of your life. I don't walk into the gym and pat myself on the back every time I walk out. Hell no. Of course, in the back of my mind, if I, made progress, it's there. You gotta take note of those things for sure, but not every time. It's just a habit that is in my life that gets done. Just like retention. You should not be counting the days. You're so different than any other human being. Even if some person goes 10 days and they get these crazy benefits, you're gonna be different. Completely. So many variables that go into this. So just lay back, man. Cut it off. This addiction needs to stop. You will truly move past your no-fap addiction, especially no-fap, if you cut this off. You will make crazy progress with semen retention when you cut this off. And just get it away from you. It's not part of your life. It doesn't serve you. It is holding you back, and the numbers mean nothing. That's it. The more you hold on to this, it's like you're creating another addiction. Don't do that. Cut it off. Then, from that moment, you make a new starting point. And then from this starting point, it only goes out. It does not go back. Do you see how that works? This is mapped on an addiction. This is mapped on a piece of progress, a good feeling. The emotion behind this, way different than this. This is what we want. We want to move forward. Thank you for watching, my friend. Don't forget to check out the description for your free meditation workshop. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Peace.